What is the purpose of a Chalk Talk? And I really break this down into two major items. The purpose is so that you can present your vision for your exciting and groundbreaking research program. So it's sort of like a, where am I going? And the second is really to convince the department or the institute that you are prepared to lead a research group. All right, so those are the two things that you're trying to achieve. For the first one, what you're really going to be doing in the Chalk Talk, though, is really outlining your short-term and your long-term goals. So in the short term, you're going to be basically describing the major aims in like your first R01 style grant. Now, normally when you've applied for a faculty position, you've already written up a proposal that probably looks like an R01 grant. And I'm sure Laura and the OITE has offered some suggestions about how you're going to do grant writing. So I'm not going to go into all the details about R01 grant writing, but most of you should be familiar with this. The second thing, so that's the short term. The second thing you're going to be describing is what will be the impact that your group will have on the field. So you really have to think about the big picture. You know, what are you going to be known for? What is your niche? What is unique about your group from those groups who may be your competitors? Now, the second thing you need to do is to convince the department that you're prepared to lead a research group. So you have to have thought about, hopefully, about who are the kinds of people you want to hire and why are you going to hire them? So are you planning to hire postdocs, postbacs? This basically shows that you've done your research about what is the primary type of people at that institute might hire. So if you're at like a smaller college, you know, you might be working more with undergraduate researchers. But if you're going to go to like a big R01 medical institute, you know, it's possible you might have graduate students, medical students, or postdocs in your laboratory. The second thing is you have to have really thought about what resources you will need to be successful. What do I mean by that? Well, if you're a laboratory that does confocal microscopy, then obviously you need to be able to describe like the kinds of equipment that you'll need. But it may be that you want to do clinical research, and it's important then that you have the right types of clinical support for your kinds of research. So this could be wide ranging, but you really have to think about what is the institute going to need to provide you with in order for you to be successful. And then you also want to think about how you're going to focus and divide your efforts amongst your group. So have you thought about which type of people might tackle which particular aims in your project? And these are things that you sort of want to be able to present while you're going.